Hi children, today I will explain remaining examples. In last video 18 examples are completed. Now continuation 19th one. Now see this structure. Oh my god, it looks like a spider. Right? But we have to identify which is the long chain in this compound. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11 carbons are there. For 11, we know that only 10 carbons. For 11 means how can we write? Okay, right. So for your convenience, I am removing this one. Okay, then 10. But if the here is present, numbering, I will explain like this one, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now identify which are the substitutions. This is one substitution. This is one substitution. This is one substitution. Okay, right. So there is no functional group. There is no multiple bond. This is a simple hydrocarbon, only alkane. But three substitutions are there. This is one ethyl group. This is one ethyl group. This is methyl group. So those ethyl groups are attached. Ethyl starts from E, methyl starts from N. You know that basically we have to follow the alphabetical order if more than one substitution is present. So 3 and 6, 3, 6 diethyl. Very good. Next, ninth position, methyl. Ninth position, methyl group is present. Completed. Now number of carbons 11. Number of carbons 11 means that is dodecad. Dodecad. Do means 1. Dec means 10. Dodecad. N. Okay. Yes. Completed. Next 20th one. CH3 CH2OH. First time functional groups are present. OH is the functional group. What is the functional group name? Alcohol. What is the suffix name? Al. What is the prefix name? Hydroxy. Okay. So whatever it may be, the main name is al, dummy name is hydroxy. But here only one functional group is present in this compound. So this is in this movie, this is the main hero. No problem. Right. Based on this one, you have to give the numbering. This OH is attached to this carbon, so 1, 2. Only 2 carbons are present in this organic compound. Right. There is no substitution. First write the name is, write the substitution. There is no substitutions. Number of carbons. How many carbons are present? Only single carbon, 2 carbons are present. So eth. And bond type, only single bonds. N. Now functional group. At what position? First position. So 1. What is the OH main name? Ol. So this is ethane 1 mole, or also write like this 1 ethanol. 1 ethanol. Or simply write like this ethanol, because functional group attached at the first carbon means you can write simply ethanol. No problem. Next one, 21. Chlorine is not a functional group. Chlorine is not a functional group. It is only substitution. So this substitution is attached to this carbon. So in this compound there is no functional group, there is no multiple bond. Only substitution is present. This substitution is attached to this carbon. So based on this one, give the numbering 1, 2. Now write the name means chlorine is the substitution. That's why 1 chloro. 1 chloro. Next, number of carbons. Eth. And bond type, only single bond. N. Last functional group, there is no functional group. Completed. Next 22. In this compound, one functional group is present. This is COOH. Actually COOH functional group name is carboxylic acid. And main name is oic acid. And dummy name is carboxy. But in this compound, only one functional group is present. So for COOH, but COOH, this functional group is also contains carbon. So give the numbering from this carbon. This is most important. If functional group is contains the carbons, give the numbering from that carbon also. So 1, 2, 3. Right? So in this compound, how many carbons are present means 3 carbons are present. Now how can you write that name? First write the substitutions. There is no substitutions. And number of carbons. How many carbons are there? 3 carbons are there. So prop. Next. Bond type, only single bonds. Sir, in COOH, we know that, sir, C double bond OH. So double bond is present, sir. You have to consider only multiple bonds present between 2 carbon atoms, not other atoms. So there is no C double bond C, there is no C triple bond C, right? So pro A, only single bonds. And functional group last one at first carbon. So 1 COOH main name is oic acid. Oic acid. Okay, but at first position means there is no problem. We can write in another way. Propane, propanoic acid. Sir, why are you mentioning A, sir? If there is no multiple bond means always single bonds are present. That's why we can write like this. Propanoic acid also correct. Right. Now come to the 23rd one. Is there any functional group? Yes, one functional group is that is NH2. This NH2 is attached to this carbon. Based on this NH2, give the numbering and follows the lowest rule. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. This is the functional group. Now write the name. Write the name means based on this one, in this compound there is no substitutions. So no substitutions. Next, number of carbons in the long chain, 4 carbons are present. So bute. Next, bond type only single bonds. So An. And functional group, yes, functional group is present. That functional group is present at second position. So 2. What is NH2 name? Main name, amine. Dummy name, amino. So amine. Okay, sir. This is about 23rd. Next, 24th. In 24th one, is there any functional group? Yes, one functional group is present. This is C double bond O between 2 carbon atoms. So it is, this functional group name is ketone. Ketone. Okay. Right, based on this one, give the numbering. Actually, this functional group contains 1 carbon, but the carbon present between 2 carbons. So don't start from this carbon. Okay, start from any other end. So from this end, 1 to second position. From this end, 1, 2, 3, third position. So 1, 2, this is lowest numbering. 3, 4. Now write the name. First substitutions. There is no substitutions. Okay. Next, number of carbons. 4 carbons in the long chain, so bute. And bond type, all are single bonds between carbons, so butane. And functional group, yes, one functional group present at second position 2. And ketone main name is ON, O-N, not one, it is ON. This is the 24th compound IUPAC nomenclature. Next, 25th one. In this compound, is there any functional group? Yes, one functional group is present, that is OH. Alcohol is present. Alcohol is present. But so based on this one, give the numbering. So 1, 2, second place. From this side, 1, 2, 3 at third place. So give the numbering from that side because use the lowest number to the functional group attached carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sir. Right, and also one substitution is present, and also one substitution is present. Okay, now write the name of this one. First substitution is attached to third place. So 3 methyl. 3 methyl. Okay. Substitution part is completed. Next, number of carbons in long chain. How many carbons? 4 carbons. Bute. And bond type only single bonds. An. Next, functional group. Yes, functional group is present at attached to second carbon, so 2, and OH main name is ol. Completed 25 also. Now come to the 26th. In this compound is there any functional group? As one functional group is present, that is CHO. Aldehyde is present, and also multiple bond is also present, but the main one is functional group. Second priority multiple bond, third priority substitution. Actually this compound functional group, multiple bond and also substitution, both three are present, but main one is functional group. Based on the functional group we have to give the numbering. So and this functional group contains carbon, okay, so give the numbering from that one. But here in this compound, carbon is present in the middle only, always middle. For ketones, always carbon present at the middle between the two carbon atoms. One C double bond O is present. That's why it never starts from that carbon only. But the remaining for COOH, CHO, COOR, CONH2, such type of functional group starts from that carbon only. So CHO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the substitution. Numbering completed, substitution identification also completed. Now write the name. First substitution. Yes, the substitution occurs at the fourth carbon. So 4. The substitution name is methyl. Next, number of carbons in the long chain. 5 carbons are there. So pent. And bond type. Hello, multiple bond is present. Multiple bond present at the 2 and 3. So take the lowest number 2 in. Multiple bond type also completed. Last one functional group. Yes, one functional group present. The functional group main name is CHO main name is all. That is 1 all. Okay, 26 also completed. Next, 26th one. In this compound, is there any functional groups? Actually, 2 functional groups are present. This is one functional group and this is another functional group. But in this one, which is the main functional group? Means this is the main functional group. Aldehyde is the main functional group. I already given one priority order to you. COOH, SO3H. Next, derivatives of the carboxylic acids. Next, aldehydes, ketones, like that priority order is already given to you. So, based on the priority order, CHO is the main priority functional group than OH. Okay, and one more thing. This one is acts as the main hero in this compound. This one is acts as a dummy hero. Dummy hero means this one acts as a substituent. As a substitution. Remember this point. That's why write the name of this one as a substitution, not as a main functional group. Okay, and now give the numbering. This is the main functional group. This is also contains carbon. So give the numbering from the carbon. Right. Numbering completed. Now write the name. In that name, first write the functional group. Functional group means first write the substitution. Is there any substitution? Yes. One substitution is present. This substitution means actually OH have 2 names. One is main name, another one is dummy name. Main name is R, dummy name is hydroxy. But in this organic compound, OH acts as a dummy hero. So give the dummy name, that is as a substituent. At 4th position, 4-hydroxy. 4-hydroxy. Okay. 4-hydroxy. Substitution completed. Next, number of carbons 5. So pent. Number of carbons completed. Next, bond type only single bonds. So A. And functional group. Yes, one main functional group is there. That main functional group at first position. And that main functional group main name is all. In sometimes this one is also write in another way. 4-hydroxy pentanol. Because that aldehyde attached with the first carbon, so pentanol. Next one, 27. It is also more number of functional groups containing organic compound. This is one functional group, this is one functional group, this is one functional group. But this one is the main functional group. COOH is main functional group. These two are now dummy, means these two are acts as substituents. Okay, so now give the numbering based on the main functional group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now write the name of this organic compound. First write the substitutions. These two are substitutions. So NH2 dummy name is amino. OH dummy name is hydroxy. So more than one substitution is present means follows the alphabetical order. So first one at fifth position amino group is present. Amino. At third place OH group is present, so hydroxy. Hydroxy. And next, number of carbons. How many carbons present in the long chain? 6. So heads. And bond type, only single bonds. N. And last one, functional group. At first place, oic acid. COOH main name is oic acid. And 28 one, in this compound, is there any functional group? Means yes, functional group present. Two functional groups, both are same. OH groups are present. So give the numbering based on this one means this is first 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 and 2 positions OH groups are present. From this side 1, 2, 3. At 2 and 3 positions. So based on lowest rule, give the numbering like this 1, 2, 3. These two are functional groups. There is no substitutions. Next, number of carbons means 3 carbons are present. So prop. And bond type only single bonds. And last one functional groups, yes, functional group is present, but two functional groups and same functional groups, first position and second position. So 1, 2 diol, because OH main name is ol. Two OH groups are present means 1, 2 diol. Okay na? Next 29. Two functional groups are there, C double bond O, C double bond O. Numbering from both sides same it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both sides same numbering. There is no other substitutions also there. Now write the name first substitution. There is no substitutions. Number of carbons in long chain 5. So 5 means pent. Bond type only single bond. Pent N. And functional groups at second place and fourth place. So 2, 4. Ketone groups are there. So ketone main functional group name is one. Main name is one. So 2, 4. Sorry, dione, because 2 are there. So dione. This is about 29th organic compound name. Next, 30th. It is contains COOH groups main functional group, but COOH both sides COOH is present. Both sides COOH is present. So numbering from any side is correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now write the name. Write the name. First substitutions, there is no substitutions. And number of carbons 4, but, and bond type only single bonds. And functional groups, first position and fourth position. So 1, 4 dioic acid. Okay, these are the IUPAC nomenclatures, examples, explanation. This is only for first model completed, right? Next one, homologous series. Homologous series. Homologous series means, homo means you know that same. Means in same species differ by CH2, differ by only one CH2. Okay, same species differ by just CH2 group are called homologous series. Okay, just examples gives full clarity about homologous series. Examples, first one, CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10. These are all homologous series. Because between CH4 to C2H6, what is the difference? 1 carbon, 2 carbons. So 1 carbon is difference. 4 hydrogens, 6 hydrogens. 2 hydrogens are difference. Okay, just for CH4 add CH2, you got C2H6. For C2H6 add CH2, you got C3H8. For C3H8 add CH2, you got C4H10. So these are all alkanes and differ by only CH2. Such type of series is called homologous series. But CH4 and C3H8, these two are not homologous because these two compounds are not differ by CH2. Okay, so that is the important one you have to remember. This is not a homologous series. Okay, these three are homologous series. Or these four are homologous series. Or these three are homologous series. Or these two are homologous series. Continuity is important for homologous series. And one more example. CH3OH, C2H5OH, C3H7OH. So OH means only these are all functional groups. These are alcohols, and this alcohol and this alcohol they differ by only CH2. The difference between carbons 1 and difference between hydrogens 3 plus 1 4 hydrogens, 5 plus 1 6 hydrogens. So difference between hydrogens, difference between the hydrogens, number of hydrogens between these two compounds, that is 2 hydrogens only. Between these two also 1 carbon and 2 hydrogens are difference. Means simply CH2 group is different by these two compounds. Are you understand? So these are all simply called homologous series. Very simple. Homologous series means the series of compounds differ by only CH2. Right? Next one. Number of sigma and pi bonds identification. Number of sigma bonds and pi bonds. You know that sigma bond means only single bond, but pi bond means after sigma bond, pi bonds are formed. Number of sigma and pi bonds in a given organic compound. Okay, first one. For example, CH4. How many sigma bonds is present? Number of sigma bonds, number of pi bonds. Okay, just write this structure in open form. In open form means this is the CH4 structure. It is very easy also. In this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many sigma bonds are there? 4 sigma bonds are there. Okay, but there is no double bond or triple bond. Means there is no pi bonds. Okay, see this structure. Here, how many sigma and pi bonds? Okay. First write the open structure for this one. Open structure means CH3. First C. Write like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So between these two carbons, double bond is present. Now remaining are hydrogens. 1 hydrogen. For this one, 3 hydrogens. Okay now. Then number of sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this one only 1 sigma bond is present. Here 1 sigma bond, 1 pi bond. Okay. Between any two compounds, for example, C double bond C is 1 sigma bond, 1 pi bond. If C triple bond C is present, only 1 is sigma bond. Remaining 2 are pi bonds. Remember this point. Okay, Nana? Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 sigma bonds are present. And number of pi bonds, only 1 pi bond is present. Are you understand? Right. One more example for this one. Let us have how many sigma and pi bonds in this one. Very simple. These three sigma bonds. First take the between the two carbons. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sigma bonds. Now count the hydrogens. 6 plus hydrogens. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. So total 20 sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds equal to 20. Very simple trick it is. First calculate the between number of carbons less than 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 carbons are there. So minus 1 means 6 sigma bonds between carbon atoms. And about the number of hydrogens, total 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus 3, 14. So 14 hydrogens forms 14 sigma bonds. So 6 plus 14, 20. Now number of pi bonds. Number of pi bonds are very easy. Here only one double bond is present. So this one is sigma, another one is pi. So only one pi bond is present. Okay, last example from this one. Actually, this compound name is there, simple compound. This is C double bond CN4, and also this side CN4. So C double bond twice, 2. Cyanide groups, CN, 4 cyanide groups. Tetra means 4 cyanide groups. Tetra cyano. How many carbons are there? 2 carbons are there. Between 2 carbons and double bond is there. Ene. Actually, this compound looks like this one. C double bond C. These 4 are hydrogens. But these 4 hydrogens are replaced by 4 CN groups. Cyanide groups. Okay, that's why actually this compound name is ene. But these 4 hydrogens are replaced by cyanide groups, means tetracyanoethene. Okay, now how many sigma bonds and how many pi bonds? First sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of sigma bonds equal to 9. Number of pi bonds. Here one is sigma bond, remaining 2 are pi bonds. So 2 pi bonds here. Here also 2 pi bonds. 4, 6, 8. So total number of pi bonds is equal to 8. But sometimes problems asking like this, right? What is the ratio of sigma and pi bonds in the given organic compound? Ratio also asked. So first identify the number of sigma bonds and also identify the number of pi bonds. Ratio means number of sigma bonds by pi bonds. For example, here number of sigma and pi bonds ratio is 9:8. Okay, here 4, only 4. Here 20/1. Here 11/1. Okay, Nana? Right. This is about calculating the number of sigma and pi bonds. Right? Completed today class also.